Hi fam, welcome here. So today is going to be a relatable tutorial on all-round fan gele. There are sometimes you tie your all-round fan gele and it does not reach the end at the back. What do? I have a remedy in this video, so you might want to stay till the end of the video. First off, I make my pleats, and here I made enough pleats because this my Sego gele here was really long, so I had to make a lot of pleats. You definitely can make as many base plates as you want. So if you don't know how to make your base plate on your head the way I'm doing on my clients now, you might want to start making it on your lap. That's easier. Just place your gele on your lap directly the way I placed it on her head and follow how I pleated. You definitely will get it. Once you get it on your lap, you can transfer it on your client's head or your model's head and you'll be amazed at how good you will do. So yeah, I'm just trying to drag out the pleat. You know, the basic rule to every gele is you have to make sure you follow through with every pleat. Every pleat has to be accounted for. Do not forget this in gele. There are some major rules that you need to follow when it comes to gele, and that is you don't pleat more than you can handle. Make sure that every pleat you take from the beginning has to follow through till the end, and that is exactly what I'm doing here. I first took my base pleat even to the back, then and I folded my gele in the manner that I did now till the end. Please, you want to make sure that the back of your gele is well pleated. Why we do this is to ensure that when you continue to pleat, because now I'm going to be taking the shorter flap up. That's the shorter flap of the gele. That's the 80 flap. I made the measurement of this gele 80-20. The 80 flap is the one that I'm taking, that is the longer flap, and the shorter flap that you are seeing is the 20 flap. So guys, please make sure that the back of your gele is well pleated so that it can be easy for you. So yeah, I start to make my fan plate. Please make sure to watch exactly as I'm doing. Your fan plates should always be pleated, be slanted. Please let them be slanted the way I'm making a slant now. In case this is your first time watching a fan gele tutorial, just watch exactly how I'm doing. You can see that for my left side, like my left hand side, you can see that the pleats there, they do not align with the way I'm taking it with my right hand. From my right hand, the pleats are really small, then on the left they look bigger. So that's like a slanting motion. So the way you draw a slanted line is the way you would pleat this gele. This gele is not straight. One part you pick more fabric and the other part you pick less. So please watch as I am doing it, and do not forget, as you're picking your pleat, do not forget to drag and move forward. You don't just pleat and stay in one position. As you're pleating, you can pleat 3, then move, 3, then move, so that you can get to the end of your gele. So, and as you're pleating, you need to take time to straighten out like I'm doing here. You can see that I had to like put my hand to secure the pleat on her head, then I had to stretch out and straighten. So as you're stretching, you would want to adjust your pleat so that every pleat will be accounted for. Every pleat you make, you have to follow through till the end. So as you can see, I am making the pleat. I have to come in this direction so you can see what I'm doing. See me here trying to drag out the pleat. I'm dragging out and I'm picking every pleat. I'm straightening out and I am moving. You can see that I moved now. So that is how you move. So you take out, you straighten, then you move. So that way you are not just on one position, because if you just continue to pleat like that, you might just see that you still be on one position and you'll not get to the end, and this is one of the major reasons why your all-round gele does not get to the end. There are actually two reasons. Is either that you're pleating in one position, or you have like made your measurement too much. It's always advisable for you to make your measurement, like your all-round fan measurement, make it, even if you can make 90-10, it will be better depending on the length of the gele. Make sure that that short part is not really long, so you can have enough fabric. It's better for you to have excess than not to have enough, like in this case. Anyways, I purposely did that for the sake of this video, but it is advisable to always in my usual fan gele tutorial, you see that I'll just leave little pleats. So even if you can make 90-10, it will be better for you, but you can still make 80-20. Make sure that you don't have more than, your measurement is not more than 80-20. So I just folded the ends of that gele. Since it's already short, I just folded the ends, and you can see I'm doing it. So I folded it and I intertwined it with the 20 flap, so that way it can be secure on my model's head. Please follow this procedure step by step. Sego gele is not a gele that you can do once and get one, so you definitely have to follow through. And I just addressed some of the issues that gele artists face, or anybody that is willing to learn gele, or anybody that ties gele. One of the issues they usually face with the all-round fan plate is that most times their fan plate does not get to the end, and I've told you the reasons why your fan plate might not get to the end. So even if you have strictly followed these rules rather, and your fan gele still doesn't get to the end, there is still something you can do, and that is what I'm going to be doing at this point. But before doing that, I'll still make sure to straighten out my pleats. Make sure that every pleat is straightened out, and that every pleat is aligned, every pleat is obvious, not that some pleats are hidden and some others they are visible. You have to make sure that every plate has to be straightened out, and here it is. I just comb and fold the end. You can see the end, the way I'm folding it. I just fold it down, and once I'm done folding it down, it gives it that round illusion. So once I'm folding it down, I take my pin and I pin it down, so you can go over this part again so that you can get it exactly. So once you pin it down, it gives you that illusion of roundness. Sometimes you might even get away with it, so it doesn't really look like it is not finished, like the ends are not pointing out the way they were pointing out earlier. So it gives it an all-round illusion. So anybody that is not really a gele pro might not even know that you did not finish your gele till the end. And here I usually say that gele is interconnected, so I just come, because that other side is really small, I just decide to like come to drag it out. So I drag that other end to reduce this part. So I drag enough. Make sure that as you're dragging, you have to arrange your gele. It is very important for you to arrange your gele. This brings out the beauty of whatever style you are doing. So you make sure that you can drag as much as you want to. So once I feel like the two sides are okay, I stop dragging and I come to cover my gele. Please always tidy up your gele. I'm covering the whole of the back because my model's hair is not made, so anyhow you want to leave it, you can decide to leave it open or closed like I did. And yeah, please do not forget to show off the hairline of your model. This is very important, or your client. Now our gele looks like an all-round fan gele. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my other videos. Bye.